Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what will you do after your 12th standard? Yeah, there are many options. Today, let's just explore one such interesting option. So, how about having a career in retail? Before we understand that, let's quickly understand what is retail, retail sector in India, various functions of retail, and different types of retail formats. Retail refers to the process of selling goods or services directly to the consumers. Retail sector in India. Overall size of retail in India is 1.2 trillion US dollar. It accounts for over 10% of country's GDP. More information about retail. It accounts up to 8% share in India's employment. 10% growth rate in retail sector is expected in the next 10 years. And retail is expected to create 25 million new jobs by the year 2030. Now, let's understand various functions of retail. Store operations, store planning and design, customer service, visual merchandising, buying and merchandising, information technology in retail, supply chain management, marketing, retail HR, retail finance and accounts. Lastly, e-commerce. Now let us explore different kinds of retail formats. Department stores examples are Shoppers Stop, Pantaloons, Lifestyle, Reliance Trends, etc. Examples of supermarkets are Spencer, JioMart, D-Mart, More Retail, etc. Examples of specialty stores are Manyavar, Tanishq, Bata, etc. Examples of online retailers are Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. So let's dive into the opportunities which retail can offer. So various job roles in retail are Customer Relation Officer, Customer Care Associate, Buyer, Store Operations, Marketing Officer, Marketing Research, Merchandiser, Store Manager. There are also other interesting roles such as Retail Finance, Visual Merchandiser, HR in Retail, IT Specialist, Accounts, Advertiser, Inventory Manager, Training Manager. Many more such interesting job opportunities are waiting for you. So students, if you choose retail, then you may get an opportunity to work with any of these esteemed brands. So, if you want to try your future in retail, we provide you with a unique graduation program. That is, Retailers Association of India RAI in collaboration with IGNOU have developed 3 years BBA Retailing graduation program. Salient features of this program are: it is a government certified degree program. The course is developed by retail experts and academicians. The course is available in both the languages Hindi and English. Admission is offered at a very economic pricing. Admission happens twice a year, Jan and July batch, and the program is activated in 25 regional centers across the country. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you wish to have a great career in retail, enroll for this program right now.